Good evening, everyone. This is Crypto Rick for you here tonight. I seen a lot of you as join Sun Mining under my referral links. Thank you very much. I'd like to show you my biggest account under Sun Mining. It's been over a month that I am mining, cloud mining Bitcoin. I think it's the most profitable one at the moment. If you're looking for the price right now at $7,352.18, Sun Mining is being really profitable for me for now. I'd like to show you my cabinet. Under my account, you're gonna see I have 500,000 gigahertz of power under that account. You can see here when I start on October 6th, and then I have another account as well of over 130,000 gigahertz as well. So for a total of over 630,000 gigahertz of mining power Bitcoin. I think it's near maybe. Hold on, let's do the math. 630,000 divide by 14,000. It's compared to 45 S9 Antminer. So it's a lot. It's a lot, yeah. It's a lot of machine mining every day. It's profitable, you know. It's in US dollar, it's near 700, $800 US a day. Profitable. Yeah, it's been damn good so far. Receiving payments every 24 hours. You can see all the payments went through. You can see my wallets. Once you set up your account, you just need to copy paste your Bitcoin wallet that is being generated from your actual wallet, where you take it, whatever, if it's under Coinbase, Bitcoin.com, or blockchain, which I use blockchain for me as the moment. I think it's the best for now. You can see my balance, but we don't see anything here because it's reset every 24 hours. So tomorrow morning I'll see my balance over there under Bitcoin, your hash rate and profitability. As you can see here, you can see all my power over there. Here, see the big bump here? For one day, that was crazy. It was like the double. And then profitability went down a little. And it's been stable for near 10 days right now. So hopefully it's gonna stay like this for a while. Yeah, so when you join, Sun Mining, it's possible to buy your capacity. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Purchase capacity, and then you choose your contract. We have been comparing Sun Mining with how it's called. It's Genesis Mining, and prices are a little bit higher under Sun Mining because of the 3 years term contract. But it's comparable. It's really comparable. So you can choose from 100 gigahertz. That would cost you $18 for 3 years contract, through 300,000. That they're giving a discount right now until November 13, but it will take effect only on January 13. So be careful on this one. You're not gonna touch your discount right now. It's really important to mention it. I think they are off power under those big accounts. They're just doing a pre-sale right now. I've been in touch with them. This is how they explained to me. So yeah, don't worry. It's not deal for right now. It's pre-sale deal. So you can still go with 60,000 gigahertz packages, which is pretty good. So yeah, and it's pretty easy. And once you receive your payment every 24 hours, and then if you have any question, you can always email them under the feedback. You go under the feedback, you fill up the form, and then you send them a feedback. And then here the bonuses is 10% on BTC contract paid from reinvesting account, so you can reinvest your profit every day if you like, and you're gonna get a discount for next few days. And the discount for the contract for BTC from 100,000 gigahertz including January 13, so it's gonna start on January 13, not before, and it's gonna be a 40% discount till November 13. Like they said, the price are indicated with the discount included already when you go under the price. And yeah, this is it. This is how you can use a Sun Mining. And you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you my other account that I'm not lying. I have 2 accounts and it's doing great so far. I'm really happy with it. I'm pretty happy actually. Let's see, blah blah blah. Logging in. There we go. You see, there we go. This is my other account, boat account. So feel free, guys, if you like to join. Oh, and you see, I have Ethereum a little bit, but it's mining. It's minor, but yeah, it's quite little. So feel free, guys, if you like to purchase your own capacity, and it's really important to mention that I'm not a professional investor. I'm just showing you what is work for me. It's really important to mention that I'm not a professional financial advisor. I invest my own money and hope you only invest money you can afford to lose. And I'm not responsible for any loss you may occur by your decision. It's really important to mention that, and it's wrote under all my videos, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and have fun if you purchase any contract under Sun Mining. Good night.